People of the internet, good morning. Good morning. It's not really morning. Hello, yes, this is me. So, hello, it's been a while. Boom, it's been a while. Today we'll try doing different things because we at Cupid Games like to try different things. So Claude came up with the trading card game idea about studying and memory. It has team cancer, but the mechanics are good. So we'll just go right ahead and start doing some things. So right now, like I can, like this is the original side of the cards, and that's like scaled down. So what we have to do is like, oh oui, est-ce la musique? Guys, I'm so sorry. There we go. That should be good. I was supposed to lower it, but I forget. There we go. Today we're doing a card game because Claude thought it was a good idea. That's what I said in a nutshell. Okay. So like, yeah. So like I have to like find a way to make this work. Like to have the card big enough so that we can read the text, but that it would fit in the game, right? Because right now, like, if this card is like full size, it actually like, it's big. Yeah, it's fucking big. It doesn't fit. Like, this white square, like right here is the camera, right? The camera borders. That's full size. So obviously that doesn't work. So I guess first thing we'll do is like actually add text to the card. So that way we'll be able to scale and see how it works. Right? So let's duplicate that. Let's call it card text. Actually go ahead and find the text. Go ahead on this card. I have it somewhere. I had the Poutine tantôt, it was the best. I'm glad I did. So I had to get that out there. Alright, here it is. So the card text should go like here. Should keep the same font size and should be called. Okay, but like actual width, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a really faint white square or rectangle, I should say. Can I rect transform it? Yes, there it is. Alright, easy peasy. So that's where the text can go, right? So I'll have it wrap and that's it. So like right now, if we like copy and paste this around, we'll go like this. So like line spacing is too high. So whoa, calm down there. So 1, so 0.5, 6, 7, 8. 0.8 is good. This card is prevent, all caps, prevent your opponent from using this text is condensed, but it's fine. It's fine. It's a prototype that we're doing. So like I'll actually give it a bit more margin. Trying to match like the card. Probably looks like this. Huh? Should be fine enough. So we have text, we have flavor text also. So I'll put that in there right away. Flavor text. This song is the best. So what's the flavor text on this card? Quote. I have. That's not always. That's not always caps. Have my two sweet hearts by my side. This is me. Hello. Yes, the font is called "This Is Me," and I think it's pretty funny. So let's do Crystal. Well, like this one is good. I like this one. Font size is super small. And like that thing goes here. Maybe. So like in practice this should be like here and here. So I want the same margin as the other card. The other text. So I'll put it here, this text I'll grow up. I'll grow up like this, it snaps. This one like this, aligned to the right, there we go. That looks like my model. My model is here. Hello. So like I'm working off that. See, like, we can't actually read the card like this big. And like the game, that's the actual size of the game, like right there. So like, so probably gonna have to like embiggen it this big to see it. Like, how do you do that? How do you like, you know? That's what we have to figure out today. Today or tonight or tomorrow or another day. But we have to. Alright, so I'll actually name that card properly. So that's Phantom Marie. There we go. I don't know how he comes up with all this weird shit. I'm impressed. Yeah. So this is gonna be like probably this big, I'm assuming. I don't have the heart. Si tu m'entends, j'ai besoin du cœur. Peux-tu me donner le cœur? Touche-moi le cœur. Touche-moi le cœur. J'ai besoin du cœur. Please. So there's gonna be health. Like this heart right here is gonna be health, right? And there's this text down there. I guess this is like the series or the deck. Like, you know how in à peu près 15 secondes. It's not too bad, the delay. So yeah, the green text is probably like the you know how in the WoW card game you have classes? It's probably like this game's classes, I'm assuming. I just heard about this game like yesterday, so I'm not sure. So let's do this text also. So don't know how to call it là, but I'm gonna call it series. So like this should go here. Should snap to this, and also this. Like the new UI tools for Unity are like the best. I'm so glad they did that là. It's really cool. So I'm actually gonna write the good text in there. C'est quoi? C'est oh yeah, and the color is rarity. Claude tells me. So like this green one is like uncommon, I guess. I assume things. I assume a lot of things when it comes to Claude. That's a lot of cards, man. That's a lot of cards. That's too big. That's too big. It's like this big. So like here, like the outline script is it's breaking up. Let's like move this down by one. There we go. This one also, just it's really ugly. One, it's good. This is green, so we'll do like. No, not the outline. The outline should be black. I want text color. It's a brighter green. So like. Like this maybe. It's good. It's good, I guess. I guess it's good. It's good, I guess. I guess it's good. And then there's his little trademark now. I guess we can take this one also. E series. I'll actually call it set. I like set. That's really the set. It's called trademark. And that's always gonna be the same, so I'm actually gonna like absolute position it. It's right here, up top. And I'll call it. It's good. Right. Bye. You can follow him on Twitter. It's @Moshiz. That's this guy's art. He does cool things. So this just in, I have the heart for the health. So let's save this right in the project. You can't see it, it's on my other screen. I have card backs also and everything. It's perfect. Okay. This here, no, here. Where did I put this game? It's the one nice here. Sit. Sprites. Not sure what to put it. I'm just gonna put it there. Bam. Alright. So like this has to be white. And is it smaller or is it not smaller? I guess it is, huh? Or did I close it? Oh, it's there. Oh no, it's about the same size. It's just a bit smaller, so let's do like 22. Or like we say in French, a 22. Alright, so like that. Alright, so like we have a cardlet, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, but this text down there is not gonna be readable at all. Since it's too small, but what we can do to fix that, but actually I'm going to do it right now, is if you like this picture, I love it. Woo! I'm looking for the font which is called This Is Me. Where is it? It's not there. Remember that time we installed Linux to build Bunnies? This is the image file I use. Just in case you wanted to know. Now you know. This is me, but isn't there like a bold version? I guess there isn't. Maybe there is. Let's go check that out on the internet. Internet. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Bobby? Non, oui, j'arrive. This is me. This is me. No, there's no. Damn. We need to find another font. Be right back. Hello, yes, this is me speaking. So yeah, we need another font, but let's do the rest of the card first. Let's do the spreads, and there's this heart. So actually, gonna add UI image. Where's my dashboard here? So like, let's do heart. It's right there. It's too big. It's way too big. Shrink it down like this. I guess as high as the text, and then we can easily put a number in there. But yeah, I guess for the moment, it's gonna be like this. So we can actually do a new text. Call it help. Give it, I don't know how much help did this card have? 8. So let's do 8. 8, and then this font. Like I have a bunch of fonts from the Photon demos. So I guess I'll try that. So this needs to go on top. Beep boop. No, the other way around. This. Alright, so this should be white and it should be bigger. And begin. Shoop. So yeah, I want you to overflow, s'il vous plaît, because it doesn't make sense. Thank you very much. So like, this is too big. This is okay. But what if we have 2-digit cards? Or like 2 huge digit cards? So like... yeah, that's not gonna work. So like... but it's not, we're not missing much. So let's just like bump it down a bit. There we go. So now like... if we take this and tell it to center the text, if we have just 1 digit, it's gonna go like this. And if you have 2, it centers itself. And if you have 3, it works. So that's cool, that's cool. But like the font is really not bold enough, I think. He used the Hollow Bunny's font. Maybe I can use it without it breaking. Let's just try it out. And my other things, I have things. That's how cool I am. It feels good, man, getting back into Unity. I love it. I love it so much. I miss it. I miss it. I miss it, but not for the same reasons that you think. Sit. And then fonts, and then holobuns. But like, I want the actual font. Where did I put the actual font? Shit. Oh, I think it's there on the Dropbox. Do you know if we put the font on the Dropbox? Probablement. Yes, it's there. I have it. It's cool. It's fine. It's fine. Fixed it. It seems like it works. It's perfect. What if I change the render mode of this one? Like this. Let's see. Would it be... yes, please do. Would it be more readable at smaller size? No. Oh no. Still shit. Okay, but let's change it. Let's change everything. Card name, card text, flavor text, set. Oh no, flavor text. And trademark. And help. So let's do Hollow Bunnies. So it works. It works. But like... Like I can do like stupid bold. No, it's not that stupid on the Hollow Bunny's font, but like the letter spacing is stupid. Is it there? Is there? No. There isn't. But this works. This works better. But still, it's not gonna be perfect. But we'll work with it, at least for now. It breaks the other font. Did you see that? Oh my god. Alright, so let's do like this big. It breaks all the fonts, actually. How weird. Oh, I broke it. I broke it. It's done. It's settled. Oh my god, this font is hideous. Where's this here? Like it's hideous, but it's actually like readable when you're zoomed out. Like this big would be readable. Let's find another font together. Together, you and me and the two other persons. Need a cool font though. So like, how about we actually ditch like the cute small font that go with the like more readable one just for the prototype. What you think, Claude? I know you're here, let me know. I wanna do a Bebas Nerd, I love this one. Yeah. I'm gonna do this, okay? Because Manila. See? Alright, so let's drag this in here. Oh, I can't. B, stay. Like this, right? So see, the fonts actually fix themselves. That's weird. So let's do this one. Oh yes, yes, yes. Perfect. It's perfect for now. It's gonna do. It's gonna do. Like we can actually still use the other maybe fonts for other things. Like this font. The other one can actually work for the health, right? It's readable. What if we add maybe a shadow? Yes! Yes! This is perfect. So what if we use this? What did I? This one I'd like to use this. No. This? No. This? No. This? No. 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 Yes. No. Maybe? Maybe? Like I kind of want to use this one. Like readable. You might not be able to see it, but it's readable. Let's do that. Let's try like putting a shadow maybe. Because like this, the font actually doesn't distort that much, but with the outline it becomes like weird. Let's do shadow. -2, yes, so this. Heck, let's do both. Yes. I like it. Let's go with that for now. Yes. shall we? Okay, like this one we can see. So let's change it to this one because it's fine. This one, let's embiggen it so we can actually read. Let's move it down a bit. All right, getting somewhere. This one I want to embiggen. Well, move around. There we go. Alright. Like, that's gonna work for now. I mean, like... Well, I mean, it's gonna work for now. That's what I mean, yeah. So I'm missing 2 pieces of text. Actually, this trademark, make it bold. Yes. Like, it's gonna distort the font a bit, but like, it's gonna work better. Like, I'm not sure how we're gonna do that. Like, it's an interesting challenge, I should say. I'd like the no, that's fine. No, that's fine. All right, man. Looks better. I like it. So let's do type. So like here, and that's gonna be the other square font. I love it. I don't know if you guys love it or not. I think it's cool. This one, it's gonna be character because it's a character. It's like a hero of some sort. Heroine. Sheila heroine. Like this. Like this. Oh yes. Yes, it snaps to the image. So let's do scooch it over. Like this. What's going on with you? Yes. And then yes. It's facing one. And then yes. Yes, I like it. I like it. I like it like that. Yeah. And she's a doctor, apparently, so we need to put that in there also. So let's just duplicate that one. And tell me what's like doctor? It's not her type, it's like her job, profession. What's help me. What should I call this? Like game related term. You know, character is a hero. Let's do 340. So 340 job it is. So let's call it job. Steve Jobs. Profession or job? Let's do job. It's too late. Profession is too long to type. Oh my god. Look at this. It's the best. What is going on? It broke everything. Like it breaks. There we go. Like rendering breaks on everything when you change like some letters, size, text size. All right, so we have a card, sample card. We actually need the card back also. So let's do new image. Let's not raw image, just image. Let's call it back. Have this beautiful card back here that we can actually put in there. No, not in it. Not actually in it. What is this? What is this? Heart. Health. Okay, so let's do UI image.
goûté en fait.
Tu as goûté? C'est bon.
Mais en fait, moi c'est pas que juste tirer la pointe.
Card back. So card back, you see there 750 by 1050. There we go.
There we go.
Ah, faut-tu acheter tes écouteurs, ok? S'il vous plaît.
Ouais.
Please. There we go. Beautiful card back. It's the best. There's something. It's like a butterfly of space. A space butterfly. What's this? Stars. I assume it's stars. There's another like inverse butterfly.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
That's
So we have like this card done. It's done this card. We have another image. So, but I already had it. There we go. So like, all right. This is the game view. This is how big this card is in game. So if we take like the card object right here and we scale it down, it does absolutely nothing. That's not because we're not scaling it. I'd like scale, please. Please. Thank you. Can't I do like proportional scale on this? Less. Oh yeah, like this. Alright. So let's do 1-1. And let's scale it down with regular Unity tools. Like in game, it looks like this big. We can actually read it though. Like flavor text is nothing. What if we actually make it a little bigger? Here it's centered. Yes. So this works, right? Bonjour, Monsieur Bagel. J'ai goût de manger un bagel là, tout d'un coup. Miam, miam, miam. On prototype un jeu que mon ami, mon cousin, mon partner in crime, si on était gay, ça serait sûrement mon chum. Il a fait hier. Ben, ça fait longtemps qu'il le fait, mais il m'en a parlé hier. Puis là, ben, on prototype le jeu avant de l'imprimer. C'est tout, c'est ça qu'on fait. C'est ça que j'essaye de faire. Et là, mon problème, c'est que la carte, nativement, est très grande, là. Tu sais, ça, c'est la grandeur de la carte, mais ça rentre pas dans l'écran, là. Il va y avoir plein de cartes en même temps, tu sais, imagine. Donc là, ben, c'est ça. That's what we're doing right now. I've really switched between the languages. I hope it's okay. So I guess this is good. It's the flavor text. It's bothering me. Là. What can we do with you? Let's put you a little bigger. Okay, yes. Claude, I understood your message. So how's this? It's better. It's better, but like the outline is breaking it up. Ouais, je comprends ce que tu dis à propos du trading card game sur PC puis sur iPad, mais je vais aller voir parce que j'ai pas regardé encore. J'ai pas fait de recherche, j'imagine. C'est juste fait. Mais oui, on va aller voir. On va aller voir. Alright. So let's do shadow instead. Okay, let's do both. Okay. Because we got the most readable option with both. So let's do both. It's not too bad still. It's not too bad. So now, if we actually like scale it down so that it fits into the card, the card slot, because that's the like planned spot for the card to go. So like this. So in game it looks like this. Like we don't see anything. But the goal here would be to like, if we hover it, we can actually see it. Yeah, it's time for some research. We're gonna do some research. Let's see. Let's go youtube.com. On va trouver Pokemon trading card game iPad. Yes, give me that. No sound, no one sound. Thank you very much. Yes, having it in 3D space would actually work. But that's like, it won't work. And like they bring it up to the screen, right? But how do you actually read it? So I want to see a real card. Well, a card with text on it. Ah, so they have sub menus. Why? I see how they like this. What's on there? Click on it. Yeah, it brings it up. So we could do that. We could do that. Let's do top 5 card games. Soulforge, oui, je connais. Yeah, but like that's a custom digital card game. T'as pas besoin de savoir. Again, it's not a conversion. Doesn't work. Like this can't really work because we have to see the other player's card and there's no like actual characters in playfield, so that doesn't really work. Like MTG, you all obviously a similar game, but see, like they actually zoom the card, so we could actually do that. Let's try it. Okay, I know Hearthstone's really not like, they're not cards. They're like, yeah, and they do the same thing, right? Bring it up and then they tuck it back down in your hand. Yeah, they're right there. So I kind of want to do something like this, where like you hover the card and it actually shows up. But then again, let's just try things. Like, voici les affaires. So let's go scripting. Hello scripting. So let's do some scripting. This is on the card. We have the old scale. C'est genre la grandeur de la carte quand on ouvre le jeu, quand le jeu il part. On la store. Fait que quand je mets ma souris dessus, il change, puis après il remet. Fait que ce qu'on va faire, c'est vecteur, on va mettre public, vecteur puis overscale. Fait qu'ici on va le mettre là, puis on va changer ça. Comment que refactor? CTRL R. Original scale. Fait que ça, ce que j'ai dit dans le fond, c'est que quand tu commences, on va mettre un wake, prends ton scale que tu es présentement, donc la grandeur qu'elle est quand le jeu commence. On veut probablement genre le setter. En fait, on va le setter tout de suite. Pas quand le jeu commence, mais que je te dis ici. Puis quand je mets ma souris dessus, mets-la à cette grandeur-là, puis quand je l'enlève, on remet la à cette grandeur. Fait que là, Mon scale, il est ici, de la carte. C'est 0.2. Right. Cool. Sur la carte, le script ici, on le voit là. Les scales sont là. Fait que son scale original, c'est 0.2, 0.2. Puis 0 dans le Z. Mais en tout cas, on va mettre 1 parce qu'on s'en fout dans le fond. Tu sais, il n'y a pas de profondeur là-dedans. C'est vraiment des planes. Fait que son épaisseur, on s'en fout un peu. Là. Je vais juste mettre 1. Je mets pas 0 parce que ça peut causer des problèmes de recast. Qu'on va voir un peu plus tard. 0.3, 0.3, mettons. Fait que là, si je fais play. Tu sais, ça fait ça. Moi, ce que je veux, c'est juste un effet. Je veux pas qu'on puisse la lire tout de suite. Fait que je vais dire genre 2, 1. 2, 1. Mettons. This is what I want. Puis maintenant, quand je veux cliquer dessus. Ok. Quand je veux cliquer dessus, je veux qu'elle apparaisse dans le milieu. Puis qu'on puisse la lire. Fait que ce qu'on va faire. On va essayer des choses. Ok, on va aller ici. On va dire public void on click, d'accord? Puis on va, ça va nous prendre un booléen focus. Il va commencer à non. Et puis on va dire si t'es focusé, si t'es pas focusé, focus. Puis on va avoir besoin d'un autre scale. Public vector 3 big scale qui va être genre la grandeur, le scale de la carte quand il est dans le fond plein écran pour qu'on puisse la lire. Fait que ça c'est petit. Over notification genre. Puis ça c'est readable. So let's do this instead. Big we need a position. We need a position to vector 3. Big position, I guess. Readable position. But no, it's not gonna work. Parce que c'est un. It's a rect transform, right? Yes. But I guess it's a vector tree also, right? Let's check it out. Transform point. See, there's not even rect transform. It's just transform, right? Yeah, so I assume it's just that. That's just straight out. We can make this slurp also, like animate. We'll see about that. So transform that position. Else you're not focused anymore. You're in false. And we're gonna need original position. So if we go there and then here and then original position, I guess this we can take from when we start, right? Public wait awake transform that position. Yes. That's not gonna work because we're gonna need to draw the cards at some point, right? Il va falloir qu'on sorte les cartes d'un deck. Fait genre, la position originale, quand le jeu va commencer, ce sera pas dans le deck. Tu sais. Original. Alright. But I guess, like, let's do, je sais pas c'est combien, 0.7, 0.5. Big position, c'est 0. C'est 0, c'est le milieu, right? Original position, il va se remplir tout seul. Je qu'on n'a pas besoin de l'exposer. Choup! Play. Ça va marcher? Je sais pas si ça va marcher. J'ai chaud. Je sais pas si ça va marcher. Non, tu sais, ça marche pas. Ça fait rien. Ah, sais-tu pourquoi? Moi, je sais. C'est parce qu'on n'a pas bindé le clic. Pointer, point click. Card hover. On click. Boom. Play. Click. Non, 0,0 c'est en bas, vois-tu? Puis la big scale est pas bonne. Ok, ça marche pas. Alright. 1. Ah, c'est parce que je change pas le scale. Damn. Mais c'est en pixels. Fait que si... Attends, on va aller voir de quoi avant. Unity. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Just wrecked. Yes, but I don't want this. Rec transform, rec transform, rec transform. It's here. Inherits from transform. Oh, I guess we could do something. Debug outlog. Get component rect transform. Does it exist? Like, I don't know. Je commence avec Unity 5 bête 4.6, le nouveau UI. Je sais pas. Ouais, je sais. Ici. There you go. Play. Oui, ça existe. Fait que ça veut dire qu'il faut cacher le transform. Sauf que ça existe, genre, ça se peut pas. This. Ouais. C'est bizarre. Je trouve ça bizarre. Rec. Transform. Il y a probablement une meilleure façon, mais je la connais pas. Voilà, je vais trouver une autre fois. Fait qu'on va le storer comme ça, parce que ça va me permettre de... Ça plus besoin, ça plus besoin. Oui, ça j'ai besoin. Ça aussi j'ai besoin. Rec transform.x position. Ouais, ok, cool. Ici, donc là je peux faire point local scale est égal à big scale. Rec transform point local scale est égal à original scale. Fait que ça serait supposé marcher. Mais si jamais tu sais comme qu'on veut, là. Donc on va l'essayer. On va voir. Ça marche, sauf que, ouais, la check bien, là. If not focused, fais ça. Tu sais, dans le fond, quand elle est en mode, faut pas que ça le fasse, right? Puis ça marche pas plus. Fait que là, moi, je veux savoir... savoir qu'est-ce qui me parle sur Twitter. Qui me parle sur Twitter. Yes. Désolé. So let's see. Let's see. Is this position 0, 0? Because I want position 0, 0, right? Let's go. So if we do 0, 0, see it's in the middle, right? And if I do like 1, 1, it's good. 0 0.7, 0 0.7. It's not good. 6, 6. 5, 5. 5. Whoop, but yes. That's big enough, right? Like if we click it, it should go back there. There we go. So that's good. So at least that works. But I know we don't probably need that. Or like, I don't get it. So like rect transform point position. Rect transform dot position dot x. Maybe local, I don't know, the local position. Like I'm not sure why it's not working. Local, it might be local position. Local position. Drink, like this. Let's do it again. Yes. Yes, that's what I want. Cool, so that's like, all right. 0, 0, come on. 0.21. 0.65, 0.65. Make position 0, 0. It's good. And the original position should be here, right? It's the other way around. Just like this. There we go. And if we hit play, yep, that works. Just doesn't go back to its original position. That's fine. We can probably fix it by moving this into start. If we do play. Yeah, see, it's because it's not taking the right position, is it? What if we expose it just because it's a prototype and I don't really care in that anyway, it's gonna change. So like, let's do this. Let's get rid of this. Let's go back here and then compile. T. Sure this is gonna work actually. 2.30.3, it's good, I like it. Alright. Yeah, that works. Alright, so we'll just do that for now. Like I'll define static positions. Cool. So now we can read cards. We have something set up to be able to read them. That's good. That's good for now. I think next we're gonna get the prefabs going. Or like le deck. Maybe we can do the deck. Peut-être que vous pouvez choisir. On a le choix. On peut faire le deck. La place où on drop les cartes. L'autre player. Ou c'est ça. Fait que je vais aller me faire un thé. J'ai soif, j'ai mal à la gorge parce que je parle. Puis je reviens dans genre 5 minutes. Puis on va continuer à faire un jeu de cartes. Bon matin. Continue à faire des jeux. Ça fonctionne. On peut lire la carte. Puis on va pouvoir faire ça avec toutes les cartes. Ça, je peux mettre sur toutes les cartes. Donc ça, c'est cool. Maintenant, je sais pas ce que je vais faire après. Merci, Monsieur Baguette. C'est cool. Je suis content que ça fonctionne.
Last serveur que le garderie de besoin que le jeu est tôt. Après, il perce les jeux. Maintenant, il perce les
Alright. Je pense que je vais faire le deck. C'est facile parce que on a juste à faire un nouveau panneau. Faire un panneau. Ouais, moi je vais accueillir rien sur le panel. Fait qu'on va remover ça. Je vais échanger son ça. Set pivot, set position comme ça. Oh. Alright. Fait que le deck, ça va être genre comme. Je sais pas. Je vais prendre des cards back, mettons. C'est quoi la skill? C'est 0. La carte. Ça va la carte. C'est 0.2. Ça, on peut l'appeler genre stack. Mettons. Genre deck. On va l'appeler deck. Parce que c'est un deck building. Oh, sec! Deck. Puis là-dedans, on va juste ajouter des images. Et cette chanson-là. C'est là. L'image. Callback. Alright. Ça, c'est 750 par 1050. C'est écrit en bas, en dessous. Alright. Moi ici je veux un groupe, canvas group. Puis ça va pouvoir, ouais, ça va pouvoir scaler. 750 par 1050. Puis je vais pouvoir scaler celle-là. Ah, même pas besoin d'un groupe par exemple. C'est plus, ouais. Fait que 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, right. Ça, c'est l'intérieur de l'écran. Fait qu'on peut mettre le stack ici. Fait que là, on peut mettre genre card back. On peut faire genre, on va mettre une. Et attention, genre, juste un petit peu. Puis on peut-tu genre mettre chaleur? Ouais! C'est vraiment pas smooth, hein? Ah, sauf que j'imagine que ça nous donne une idée, par exemple. Ouais, okay. Fait que je vais la mettre genre par-dessus, sauf. Fait que genre 0, 0, sauf X je vais faire moins 5, puis Y je vais faire moins 5, ou 5. C'est-tu? Non, non, c'est vraiment pas assez. On va mettre 10. It's not good, I don't like it. Let's do 15 maybe. Yeah, we kind of see the other card underneath. Yeah, that's fine. For now, I'm gonna do another one. Call this one middle, call this one card back, I guess. And do top. That's gonna be card back. Well, like, I know they're gonna be card backs, right? So I guess I could call it just like this and then like this. Oh, how much is this? 15? Let's do 20. Let's just see how it looks. 20, 20. And take this one and do 40. It's double, right? 40 and 40. I kind of like it. Yeah, I like it. Little stack of cards. It looks good. We can take the deck and move it. So like, so yeah. So 564 by 254. Minus 254. So I want to do minus 20. So that's 3 and then 4. And that's good. So I guess we don't need that little character zone thing, right? We know that's our own. But we could. I guess what we could do is add an image and make this separator, right? Separator thingy. It could be like the line between like the player and like between both players. That's what I'm saying, I guess. So, whoa. No. I want to move you. Yes. Thank you. There we go. Separator. Alpha on this, and then we could actually place the event cards on this, right? Because there's going to be a middle area where people actually drop cards. So how does this look again? This looks like this. So what we could maybe do. Oh, but like we have a graveyard also. What we could do with the graveyard though. Like I had this idea yesterday. Graveyard. I don't think we actually have to show the graveyard, right? Because cards are getting discarded. So like, we don't care. But what I had. Because you know when I play card games, my cards are always like all over the place. In the in the graveyard pile at least. So like not this one, not this one, this one. All right. So like I could like randomly place them like this, right? So that's the graveyard pile, because that's where we're putting all the discarded cards. I actually really like that. Seems to me that it's gonna be a tutorial heavy game, at least for the prototype, because we're not gonna have a tutorial, so we're gonna have to explain to the people. Because Claude can touch up on that when he's here. So what I want to do is I want to actually know because of that. Let's do this. Let's do player background. Player background. We're actually gonna end in like 10 minutes. So let's do this, and let's cancel that and do R. So like first I want to actually open it up and then stack it there at the bottom of the screen. Make it like that and put it just after the background. Like this. That's like the player area, right? So I actually want to make it another color, a very light color, or make it darker. That's better. And then this can go snap right here. And do this. I guess it's good. So I want to actually organize my things, so I'm gonna do a player zone. And move it here, and then take everything in here and move it in there. Alright. So now I can actually take this player zone and just start with it. That's cool. So like there could be, there's gonna be, I'm gonna call it, not player, but adversaire. I wanna do adversaire. What's adversaire? Let's do translate. It's not adversary, that doesn't work. Let's do adversaire. Opponent. Opponent. Yes. Alright. Let's do opponent. Zone. So like this is gonna work exactly the same as the player zone, but it's gonna be docked right here. Oh, look, it's direct transfer. So this whole thing here, like all of this, is actually gonna be, doesn't snap. I want it to be here and then rotate it 180 degrees. So that like the opponent is there. And that's gonna be synced over the network with photon thing. We're gonna do that when the game actually works. Alright, let's go over there. This. I guess we should swap them around also. Because like if I'm playing my, yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's not working. So open zone, the background is cool, it's fine, all good. Let's actually spread it out a bit. So like we have a nice space in the middle for like other cards, right? Because we can click on the cards to make them big, so we don't actually care how big the cards are. Because with the picture and the name that you can actually read, like once you get used to it, you're gonna be able to read them. And when you're not used to it, we actually give you a way to read them, like whatever card it is, even this one. Oh. I guess we have to like do things. Oh my god, it's broken. They're all broken. I broke the game. It's fun. So like, let's first actually like place everything. We'll worry about like getting things in order after. So like, the hero, we have one. That's this card. And then shuffle the decks, that's fine. Draw 7 cards from your deck. So that means that we have some math to do, because I really want this to look nice. How much piles do you have? I guess we have another. Let me see. This. How many piles? So we have completed study cards. That's right. But that can be a counter, I guess. Or the completed cards could be here. It all makes sense when I explain the game. I'm just trying. Like you can have equipment on your character, so I guess it could be like underneath. You can have a card that pops up and you can just click on it. Or even here, right? Or maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, the graveyard, the deck, your hand. And then the items and the events go here. I'm actually gonna make that bigger a bit. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. We did some good progress. I'm gonna continue on, but I have some things to do first. So I'll try to do these streams a bit more often because I think they're cool to do. So I'm gonna leave you with this sweet, sweet Earthbound soundtrack, and then we're gonna be gone. I'll be uploading this to my YouTube channel also. So like, yeah, you can probably view it there if you want. So follow me, Twitch, Twitter, @NoSpoon, Cubic Games, @CubicGames, HoloBunnies.com, we're doing fucking Kickstarter, and all these things. See you guys next time.